Hello, all, welcome to my channel. In this series, we have already discussed many series with the Scrum Master, Agile, or RPA development, interview questions and answers, right? So, today I am going to show you this STAR method, which is applicable for each and every interview scenarios. Okay, so you can break down those question and answers when you are going to face it, right? So I'm going to share with you some 10 question and answers related to star method. Star method means what exactly, right? What it is, how, what exactly you are understanding, just put it in the comment box so that I can also know how you are answerable, right? So star method means the situation, task, action and the result. Okay, so we are going to discuss some 10 question and answer related to agile project development management studies, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and see what those are. So the first scenario is leading agile ceremonies. This is related to Scrum Master role. Okay. So what is the situation you can give them that team facing unclear priorities and sprint goals? If they ask for you, then you can go ahead with other things. So what task you are going to do? Improve alignment and delivery flow for that action, facilitate structured sprint ceremonies from your end, right? As a Scrum Master, refine the backlog with the PO, that is product owner, and the implemented team working agreements as well. Correct, getting my point? Then what you are getting the result from your action that increase the sprint predictability by 30% and reduce the rollover stories by 40%. Okay, getting my point? Okay, so here we are going to discuss this star method resume experience points. Okay, so this is Samiksha Desai, your coach and mentor, who are going to help you out in this situation scenario based question and answers, right? Yeah, so just be with me, and if you are having any doubts, any clarification, just put it in the comment box, or if you're having also some insight, just put it in the comment box so that we can also learn together and grow together, right? Yeah. So just we have seen the first scenario, right? So we are going to see the so we are going to see the next scenario, which is related to automation delivery support, that is RPA, right? Robotic, right? Process the automation, right? Yeah. This is also applicable for any delivery support or scrum master role as well. The situation which we are going to create, that business team struggling with manual repetitive process, then what you are going to do actually, the task should be enable automation development through structured agile delivery. Getting my point? Yeah. So what exactly action you are going to do, that collaborated with the SMEs, BA means business analysts, that and the RPA developers, okay, to define user stories first, then clarify the business rules and remove the environmental blockers. That is action should you have to take care of. Okay, then what you are going to get the result from your action, that is deliver automation that reduce the manual efforts by 20 to 40%, improving turnaround time and accuracy. Okay, yeah. So the next scenario is the relation with the stakeholder and the cross functional collaboration. The situation which you are going to face is product launches and SaaS rollouts require multiple teams. If they are giving you this scenario, then task should be ensure the smooth delivery, right, across engineering and QA and the customer teams. Then what you are going to take the action for it, that is set up your cross-functional syncs, okay, created the dependency trackers, okay, yeah, and they improve the escalation flows. This action should you have to take care of, okay. Then what you're going to get the result from it after this action, your action, that to reduce the go live delays by 25% and improved the customer satisfaction scores. Okay, yeah. Then the fourth scenario which you are going to face is customer escalation management, that is customer support experience. Okay, then what is the situation they are giving you? That is high volume customer issues impacting service reliability. Then what task they are expecting from you? That is reduce the escalations, of course, and improve the response times. Then what you are going to take the action in this scenario? Introduce the root cause analysis first, then the knowledge based updates and the daily syncs with the engineers. Okay, and what is the result you are getting after this? Reduce the critical escalations by 35% and improve the CSAT, okay, by 18%, right? Yeah, escalation metrics, right? Yeah. Then the next question, next scenario, that is delivery process improvement. What is delivery process improvement in SaaS service delivery? um, Scenario question, right? The situation should you will get, that is delivery timelines, okay, where inconsistent due to missing requirements. Then task they will give you that standardize that requirements gathering and delivery workflows. Then what you are going to do, that create the templates, checklist, streamline onboarding processes for that. Okay, once done, then you are going to get some results like the cut requirement clarification time by 50% and they improve the delivery as well accuracy. Okay, yeah. Then the next scenario which is related to team coaching and agile mindset shift, that is situation is you are going to face is team lack the understanding of the agile practices. The task they are going to give you that build agile culture first and improve the team autonomy. Then what exactly you are going to do? That conducted a workshop for that, right? So you have to build the agile culture, right? So conducted the workshop first on user stories, estimations and the continuous improvements as well. Then what results you going to get? That improve the team ownership and increase story completion rate by 20%, right? Getting my point? Yes. So the next question is related to managing high risk deliveries. The situation is a production release was at risk due to unresolved bugs, correct? So tasks should be drive release readiness under the tight timelines, action, organize bug, trigger war rooms for that, refine, prioritize, of course it's needed, and the collaborated closely with QA and dev, right? Yeah. Then what result you are going to get? That is delivery release on time with zero critical defects. Getting my points? Yeah. If you are having any doubts, question, concern, just put it in the comment box right now, okay? So that I can resolve it as soon as possible, because this scenario based questions are really required, really important for your high upper level management interviews, okay? So just think about it, clear the actual baseline or something, the doubts, your concepts, just clear it out, okay, and understand the situation task first, and after that you can realize the action, what should you have to take care and what result after that you are getting. Okay, you have to tell them, okay, how much result I can achieve for that, right? Yeah. Then the next question, next scenario is the VOC, that is voice of customer, that is product improvement. The situation should be customer face in recurring right, pain points impacting the platform visibility or something. Then tasks they are going to give you that convert the customer feedback into actionable improvements, it should be. Then action, what action you are going to take? That is analyze the data trend, okay, first, then collaborated with the product owner to write the enhanced stories. Then you are going to give them to the developers, right, to develop those things or the functions or something, okay, the improvements in the app or the product, right? Then what you are going to get the result, the enablers enable you are going to enable the features, right, that reduce the user errors by 30%. That pain point you are going to reduce, right, for user, right? So the next question, next scenario is the requirement refinement, and the business alignment. What is the situation they are going to give you, or if they are facing currently like that in their organization? That is, BA and SMEs are struggle to articulate the complex work. Then tasks should be help the team break requirements into actionable stories. Then what you are going to facilitate them, that facilitated a story mapping first. Okay, then clarified the AJ cases and captured the acceptance criteria, right? Then what you are going to get the result from that, reduce the work, right? Rework by 40%, improve the sprint efficiency as well. Getting my point? Yeah. Not the last one, list one. The last question is, the situation is the conflict resolution and the team moral management. How you are going to do it, right? Situation will be developer frustrated by the workload imbalance and the unclear and that expectations. Maybe or sometimes or every time, right? You are going to face the tasks they are giving you that create a healthy supportive team environment. Then what you are going to do it, introduce them the capacity planning, transparent prioritization of course, and the open communication framework, right? Yeah, the pillars, agile pillars, right? Yeah. Then the result, what you are going to get, that enhance the team moral support, of course, moral, and reduce the burnout risk as well, while maintaining the delivery timelines. Okay, so these are some 10 scenario based star method question and answer which I have shared with you, right? So just go through it, just think about the actionable plan. If you want to add something or any suggestions also you want to give us, then you can put it in the comment box so that we can also learn together and grow, right? So be with me and just subscribe, like, share my channel. Thank you.